You're the friends of that man the Bureau agents took away.
Please, leave us alone. We don't want any trouble.
Answer our questions and we'll leave you in peace. Where did the agents take our friend?
Cisloden, the capital. That's what they said.
I knew it.
What did we ever do to deserve this? We haven't even crossed the street without looking first. Why are they after us?
Come on, we're wasting time.
You'll need to hurry if you want to get your friend back. Not a single person who's been taken to Cisloden has ever returned.
Hey, keep quiet. You're trying to get us all killed.
How to hell with that. Go on, report me. See if I care.
I thought this Cisloden was a city. Is it a prison camp?
It's the realm's capital. Though when you're forbidden to move freely like we are, there isn't much difference. My parents and siblings were taken by the Snake Eyes. I haven't heard from any of them since. For all I know, they're long dead by now. Anyway, go! And kill as many Snake Eyes as you can for me while you're there!
All right. To Cisloden it is. People are really terrified of the Snake Eyes. They've got them jumping at their own shadows.
They may be Lord Ganabelt's lackeys, but for all intents and purposes, it's the Snake Eyes who control the realm. One wrong look, and your history.
So Zephyr's being moved to Cisloden. Let's cross our fingers we catch up with him on the way.
I mean, the plan was always for me to take you guys to Cisloden anyway. But a word of advice.
Oh?
There's a forest we have to pass through on our way there. I won't lie to you. It'll be dangerous.
More Zeugles?
Wild ones at that. They hunt in packs, led by the biggest, meanest one. My friends and I got cornered by one on our way to Calaglia. That's how we got split up.
We'll just have to keep our wits about us then. The forest we're about to walk through is pretty dangerous. Let's make sure we're prepared before we go further. Rinwell, if you get injured, just... I came out great. Everyone's gonna be real surprised. Shionne, could we talk a moment?
And here I was, thinking I could get some rest. Is something...
The matter? No, nothing like that.
Then if it's all the same to you, I'll be going to sleep, thanks.
Is chatting with me really that much of a drag?
I just don't get the point, that's all. Is there some pressing reason why we have to talk right now?
I don't know, I think we should all make an effort to get to know one another. What if there's an emergency?
An emergency?
What if one of us suddenly got sick?
Then I'd cure them with my healing arts and we'd move on.
That's easy for you to say. But for the person doing the asking, it may not be so easy to approach you.
If they can't work up the courage to approach me, that's their problem. Unless you're suggesting I'd refuse to heal someone for the fun of it.
I didn't say that.
So what then? Quit beating around the bush and just tell me.
Look, what I'm trying to say is... if we're going to be traveling together, it makes more sense to do it as companions, rather than being at each other's throats the whole time.
I still don't get it. But I do understand that whatever it is, it obviously must mean a lot to you. I'm not trying to make things more difficult for you just for the sake of it. So, I'll make more of an effort to talk every now and then, even when we don't have to. Happy?
Yeah. Yeah, I am.
Then if you don't mind, I'm going to get some sleep. Have a good night.
Didn't get it, huh?
I think it's time we go to sleep. How long do you plan on just sitting around doing nothing, Alphen? Because it looks to me like you're taking your sweet time getting ready.
I'm not procrastinating, if that's what you're implying.
Oh? Sure looks like it to me. You had me worried you'd forgotten our mission. Again.
I know. You don't need to keep reminding me.
Hey, Alphen. I'm already over here.
Right. Thanks for letting me know.
I saw you talking with that Bright Eyes before lights out last night. Mind telling me what you two discussed?
Nothing in particular. I just figured that maybe she would open up a little if I tried talking to her.
What? Her? She's a Renan. I know we're working with her, but that doesn't mean we have to play nice with her.
Look, we're all going to be traveling together for a while. It's only going to make things harder if we're at each other's throats. If all we do is bark orders at each other instead of working together, that's not much different than how it is for the rest of us. I think it's important that we all understand each other and work together as equals, if it's at all possible.
Do we, though? Because I sure don't get the feeling she means to do the same.
As soon as Zephyr disappears, all hell breaks loose. We can't get anything done if things stay tense like this. But what the hell am I supposed to do? Well, I guess I'll just have to keep hammering away at them and see how it goes.
Come on, guys. We've got lots to do.
So this is the forest teeming with Zeugles you warned us about. No sign of Zephyr, though.
Which means either they had the skills to make it through safely, or we're too late, and the strays got to them first.
Do you say every thought out loud?
Just the true ones. Are we moving or what?
Don't worry, Hoodle. It's okay.
I can barely see enough to take 2 steps forward without bumping into something.
Yeah. I'll have to be careful not to miss anything coming from off the path.
This is nothing. When things get real...
Let's dispose of the trash.
Reload! One more lightning condemned! Magna Ray!
Double Demon Fang! Slap!
Hit!
Swallow Blade!
One more!
We're in good form!
It's freezing. I can barely feel my toes.
Let's find a way back up quickly, then.
Gotta break through! Raining Slash!
Confiscated! Reload!
Double Demon Fang!
Dance in the wind! Magna Ray! Whatever you do, just stay away from the spore!
Roll away!
Do it! We won that by a mile! Go no further!
Double Demon Fang! You picked the wrong fight!
In here! Reload!
Raining Slash!
You all tucked away!
Next!
These little ones are hardly worth our time.
Less talking, more pummeling.
Cut them apart to your heart's
Roll
content.
away!
This is barely target practice.
Then why bother fighting them?
Because I certainly won't run away from a battle.
I could easily see us getting lost here while we're trying to find Zephyr. I get this is supposed to connect the capital to the village.
Go no further!
Raining Slash!
You
Double
got
Demon
company!
Fang!
Gemini Ultra!
Next!
These little ones are hardly worth our time.
Less talking, more pummeling.
Cut them apart to your heart.
This could be useful. We're so high up. Thanks, Shionne.
Just doing what I can.
Go no further!
Raining Slash!
Again!
Damn it!
This one's mine!
Double Demon Fang! Raining Slash!
Dance in the wind! By the power of water!
We did it!
These little ones are hardly worth our time.
Less talking, more pummeling.
Cut them apart to your heart's content.
Slash!
We won that by a mile! Lightning condemned!
Double demon fang!
Steering flame! Reload! Lightning
Renan
condemned!
flash!
Flame!
Blow
Reload!
away!
Confiscated! Sweet dream! Back into the fray!
Double
Your
demon
power
fang!
is a spectacle to behold.
I'm not trying to be
Blow
dramatic.
away!
Still, it's a part of
out of
you.
there with the
Embrace it. Our work is done here. Let's move.
I'm right behind you, Shionne.
Right, here goes! Raining slash! Burn!
Lightning condemned! Reload!
Fly!
Thunderblade!
Try this! Infernal torrent!
It's like
Come
trying
and
to keep
face
up
me.
with a wall!
Raining slash!
I'm out of ammo!
Blow away!
Watch and
Try harder!
Dance in the wind!
Well, we're on the home stretch now.
Don't take your eyes off the prize.
I'm quite aware without you reminding me.
You are in tip-top shape!
As soon as I'm done here, come help out.
How could a girl ever say no?
These little ones are hardly worth our time. I know fine weapon material when I see it. I found some equipment.
Let me take a look at it.
Dispose of the trash.
Raining slash!
Come
One, come all! Double demon fang! Great! Next!
These little ones are hardly worth our time.
Less talking, more pummeling.
Cut them apart to your heart's content.
This one's all mine!
Crazy cascade!
Raining slash!
By the power of cover the caster!
Double demon fang!
Dance in the
We
wind!
did it!
Meteor! Get out
Double
of there with
demon
the
fang!
Hear me! Flame of fury! Burning! Here goes! Up and in!
We managed. To pull through. What's this thing? What's wrong? Huh? I guess. Got it. For real?
We've got company, and not the nice kind either.
Rinwell, get back!
And miss all the action? Who do you take me for?
Out of our way!
It's a big target, at least.
Don't underestimate its speed.
Not on my watch!
Burn in hell!
They're surrounding us! Hear me! Flame of
Double
death!
demon
The
fang!
flashing parts are weak point.
This is it! Here
That
comes!
gun of yours is real handy in a pinch.
It takes a true marksman to use.
Well, can't think of anyone better than you, Shionne.
Double demon fang!
Astral energy raging cascade.
I'm ready!
Double demon fang!
I never miss! Gemini
Ready?
Aqua! Photon
Double
flame!
demon fang!
Reload!
Raging
I'm out of ammo!
cascade.
One! Mega ray! By the power
Blow
of
away!
water! Dance in the wind!
Double demon fang!
Get on in there with the others!
Blow away!
In here.
Double demon fang!
This'll come in handy! Now, back into the fray!
Hit.
Mega ray!
All right. It's
Double
showtime.
demon fang!
Seal. Got it.
Raining
Now's our
blast!
chance.
Double demon fang!
One at a time! Here I go!
Thunderblade.
You're mine!
Raining slap!
Gemini Aqua!
Double demon fang!
Dance in the wind. Air thrust. Steering
Photon flame!
Do it.
River!
Astral energy.
Say no more.
Gemini Aqua!
Double demon fang!
Thunderblade!
Ha! Not today! It's changing tactics!
There's no telling what it'll do. Stay
Double
focused.
demon fang! More Sucrals?
Keep calm and take them down.
Double demon fang!
I'm out flat! Gemini Aqua!
Double demon fang!
The enemy is going all
Gonna
out.
attack!
Right, watch out.
Double demon fang!
Here, let me help.
Raging cascade.
Okay, here I go. This is bad, right?
Yes, Alphen. Very bad.
I don't feel so good.
Here I go! I'm only getting Here's the healing art!
Stay away from my friends!
I'll bring you back from Death's Abyss.
Double demon fang!
I'll bring you back from Death's Abyss. I'll bring you back from
demon
Death's
fang!
Abyss.
Resuscitation!
Double
Here's the
demon
healing
fang!
art! First aid!
There. Air thrust.
Photon flame!
This one is almost in the bag.
Weakened.
Not done yet.
This ends now!
I'm out!
Not today!
Let me help!
Double demon fang!
Hit.
I'm all stuffed up!
Light
Double
up.
demon
Raging
fang!
cascade.
Searing flame! Reload! Take it! I'm only get searing flame!
Blow away!
Lightning. It's about to strike.
Double demon fang!
sky,
Let's
it's
start,
mine.
everyone!
Cover the capture.
Here, let me help.
Here goes! Photon flame!
I'll bring you
Dance in
back
the
from
wind!
Death's Abyss.
Air thrust.
Resuscitation!
I owe
I'm
you.
all stuffed up! I never miss!
One last lightning. Don't mind if I do.
By the power
Double
of
demon
water!
fang!
Now.
River!
Astral energy.
Say no more. You okay, Rinwell?
I'm fine.
What do you notice now?
It smells like blood. This is...
All these Sugals. They're dead. What happened here?
They didn't do this to each other. So then how...
One person did all of this? Who was that guy?
Do you think he could have been the lord we're looking for? Ganabelt?
I doubt a lord would deign to roam around a place like this alone. Besides, what business would a Renan have with killing Zeugles?
Now that I look at it, it was a good call staying out of his way, I think. Look at this. He took them out with a single slice. This guy's no amateur. You okay?
Yeah.
We should get going. Zephyr needs us. That knight back there sure wasn't messing around. If he's not a lord, what is he?
I have no idea. I've never seen anybody like him. There it is. Sisloden.
What's with those beams of light? They don't strike me as your everyday streetlights.
They're kind of the key to this whole realm. You'll see what I mean when we get there.
What's on your mind?
First, Rinwell appears out of nowhere, right after we beat Balsef. Then, we bump into Zephyr's son, who's with the enemy. Somehow, we get away scot-free because the Snake Eyes don't even bother chasing after us. Is it really a coincidence?
You think it was a trap?
What? But I would never...
If not for the whole Astral Arts episode, I'd be worried. She's not behind this. Perhaps an unwitting pawn in someone else's plan.
What? All this to capture Zephyr?
Maybe. All I know is it all slots together a little too nicely for my liking. Not that dwelling on it'll get us anywhere. Trap or otherwise, we've got a lord to defeat. So how do we get inside?
What?
Well, we can't just march into the Viper's nest through the front door, surely.
There's a secret passage near a spring on the outskirts of the city. We can get in through there.
I hate camping out.
Huh? Why are you looking at me like that?
Are those mage clothes that you're wearing?
So what if they are?
Rinwell, mind if we chat a little?
Hootle, let me know if you sense anything. Another day, another... Gald.
I'm impressed how well balanced this thing is. I think he's saying something's over there.
Do you sense one of your friends, Hoodle?
What's going on? Why did the weather change all of a sudden?
The snow's gone, and it doesn't even feel cold anymore. Just what's going on? What is this place?
I see something big farther in. Is that a Zookle? No, an owl?
Hoodle doesn't seem too wary, so it's probably not hostile.
Let's go see what's up then. Stay sharp.
I don't get it. Why has it suddenly started giving us things?
Hey, is that owl beckoning us over?
I think it is. It's the owl we rescued before.
Then maybe that's what the gifts are all about. It's thanking us for saving its friend.
This one isn't just bigger than Hoodle, though. Something about it seems almost regal. Don't you think?
What if it was the king of the owls?
Would that make the other one the queen?
You think so?
Yes, they're clearly a pair.
Is this some kind of owl sanctuary?
It's such a big place, though. I wonder if those two were living here all alone until we rescued that owl.
I thought no other owls existed, but here they are. And a king and queen by the looks of them. You never know what other ones might be out there until we look for them. It's not like you were searching the whole world over yourself, right, Rinwell?
That's... well, I mean, yeah. I guess you've got a point. Hey, Hoodle. How about we find more of your friends and tell them about this place? It can be a little side mission on our trip, if that's okay.
It's fine with me. We'll find as many as we can.
Thank you. Oh,
Rinwell?
it's nothing. Don't mind me. Ready to move on? I think Hoodle senses an owl around here.
So the guys we saw back in Messia were Snake Eyes. And your group fighting them is...
The Silver Swords. Heck, we even have members working within the Snake Eyes gathering intel for us.
Sounds like it involves a lot of double-crossing.
It does. But it keeps us alive and one step ahead. Calaglia wouldn't have been liberated without those double agents.
No choice. How about this?
Light astral energy! Dance in the wind! By the power
Double
of
Demon Fang!
You got company!
Blew away!
Gemini Alpha!
Double Demon Fang!
A banana! Let's go! Water!
Blew away!
Thunderblade! Easy peasy, huh, Hoodle?
Let's dispose of the trash.
Double Demon Fang!
Here goes! Bullseye! Raging
With
Cascade!
this, I'll take you all on!
There! Sleep now!
Double Demon
Renan
Fang!
in there with the others!
Raining Slash!
Air thrust! I can give it a whirl!
Double Demon Fang!
Together, that wasn't even a problem.
Wait, there are way too many Snake Eyes up ahead.
No choice. This one's all mine!
In there!
Double Demon Fang!
In there with the others! Here goes! I'm not so good with air
Raining Slash!
Our work is done here. Let's move.
I'm right behind you, Shionne.
This'll be a delicious
Double
piece of
Demon
cake!
Fang!
Flame of Fury! Air thrust!
Blew away! You picked the wrong fight!
Light reload!
Double Demon Fang!
There! Air thrust! It's over!
These little ones are hardly worth our time.
Less talking, more...
Astral energy!
Say no more!
You sure showed them.
All in a day's work.
Right, here goes! Come and face me!
Sleep now.
Double Demon Fang!
It's over. I never miss. Here goes.
Nicely done, Shionne.
You're slacking. Step it up.
Yeah!
Now, one more.
You got flyers!
I've got this. Let him march.
All yours!
Easy peasy, huh, Hoodle?
Maybe it's time I try on something new.
They're on my tail!
Double Demon Fang! We did it!
These little ones are hardly worth our time.
Less talking, more pummeling.
Cut them apart to your heart's content.
Raining Slash!
Sleep now.
Double Demon Fang!
Reload! I'm out of ammo. Sweet dreams. I'm all
You're most comfortable at a range, aren't you?
I'm not really built for close quarters combat.
Nor am I. Don't worry, I'll help you keep a wide berth.
Double Demon Fang!
Up and at 'em, let's go! Well, looky here. This'll be a delicious piece of cake.
Raining Slash! Double Demon Fang!
By the power of water.
Blew
My
away!
astral energy! Whoa!
Together, that wasn't even a problem. Isn't that what we were asked to find?
This might go well in that new recipe.
Gotta break through! Damn it! Blew away!
Sleep now.
Double Demon Fang!
Here I go. I'm only getting started.
We did it!
These little ones are hardly worth our time.
Less talking, more pummeling.
Cut them apart to your heart's content.
Dance in the wind.
Double Demon Fang!
That gun of yours is real handy.
It takes a true marksman to use.
Well, can't think of anyone better than you, Shionne.
We're in good form!
Rinwell. Hey, Rinwell!
What are you doing here? If the Snake Eyes spot you here, they'll...
So you did make it back alive. Man, am I glad to see you safe.
Barely. When we all got separated, I thought...
They're fine. They all got back in one piece. Well, a Zoogle took a bite out of 2 of our guys, but what matters is you're safe. So, you gonna introduce me?
Meet Alphen and Shionne. I brought them with me from Calaglia.
You mean you made it to Calaglia? Wait, this is it? Just the 2 of them? Where's the rest?
Well, it's kind of a long story. It's best if I fill everyone in at once.
Your call, Rinwell. But everyone will be dying to know. We better get back as soon as we can. Use this passage whenever you need to go in or out of the city. Stay away from the front gate, whatever you do.
How do the Renans not know about this secret route of yours?
Cisloden's an old city. It's littered with pathways that people have long forgotten. But keep your voice down. We don't know how long this route will stay hidden. I wonder what we can make with this.
If you can't decide, I'll have it raw.
Hey, wait! Don't eat that! Do you sense one of your friends, Hootle?
So this is Cisloden, capital city of Cislolia.
Be careful. You never know where Snake Eyes or their informants are lurking. We're basically walking into a Zoogle's den here.
There are shops here?
On a permit basis. As long as people don't get reported on and sent to work the floodlights, economic activity is allowed here.
All this talk about reports and permits. This place really is different from Calaglia.
Rinwell!
Regan!
Shh! It's good to see you. Who's this?
They're with me.
If you say so. Come on, Menek's waiting. We can talk in there.
The name's Menek, leader of the Silver Swords. And I wish I could extend my warmest welcome to you all, but if my eyes don't deceive me, you appear to have a Renan in your midst. If she is your prisoner, that's a rather loose leash you have her on.
She's not a prisoner.
So why do I get the feeling there's a rat about the house? No offense intended. See, I've grown comfortable with the likely outcome I'll be stabbed in the back. But stabbed in the front?
We risked our lives just to get here, sir. If you want to send her away, fine. But you'll lose me too.
I see. Trust isn't about as short supply as light around these parts, and mine more than anyone's. But I'll choose to believe you. Forgive my manners. You must be tired after such an arduous journey. But to business. We need your strength. The Snake Eyes' grip on the city tightens by the day. Our people are suffocating out there. Hence the scouts I sent to find help. We're at the end of our tether here.
That's why we're here, to help. We've got the firepower to do it, too. But first, we've got some urgent business to take care of.
I see. So your leader is in need of rescuing.
It's none of your concern. We get that. But
it's coming to our aid that got you into this mess in the first place. You can count on us. Just as long as you help us with our problem afterwards. If he's been arrested by the Snake Eyes, as you say, then there's a good chance he's being interrogated over at their headquarters. Either that, or he's being put to work over at the Floodlights. First priority is finding out where he is. If you're planning on tagging along, Rinwell will show you the way. Just make sure to keep a low profile. Remember, it's not just the Snake Eyes. Hostiles lurk among the villagers, too. This leader of yours, he must be quite the inspiration for you to go to such lengths for him. I look forward to meeting him someday.
all right, let's head into town and see what the fuss is.
Looks like we get to sleep with a roof over our heads.
Have you and Menek known each other for long, Rinwell?
No, not really. I haven't been with the Silver Swords for all that long, truth be told. He's a smart guy, but he's also deeply suspicious of other people. I can understand, since that's how you get to survive around here.
Really? I could tell he was wary of us at first, but he seemed to warm up to us pretty quickly once we talked to him.
Yeah, that's pretty unusual for him. I think that's a sign of how desperate things have become. In my case, it took a long time for him to start trusting me. But then again, I kinda get where he's coming from. You never know who might betray the group, or when the Snake Eyes might be watching.
What made you join up with the Silver Swords in the first place? This wasn't your hometown, so... Was it the Snake Eyes who...
No. It wasn't them. Actually, we shouldn't stand around talking. People will start to suspect us. Let's keep moving.
So that's where those beams of light have been coming from.
Right. Any Dahnans accused of dissent against Islodia's lord are rounded up and brought here, then put to work. It's a fierce deterrent.
And you think Zephyr might be in there with them?
I want to see what the lights are all pointing towards. Take us there.
Damn. You can see where the floodlights converge from